China has taken another major step forward in its next-generation combat aviation program with the flight of a third prototype of its heavy fighter bomber, widely known as the J-36. This latest development signals steady and deliberate progress in what many analysts believe could become one of China's most important future strike aircraft. Images published on December 25th show the J-36 flying alongside a J-10C fighter, offering a rare opportunity to compare the size and design philosophy of the new aircraft with an operational frontline jet. What immediately stands out is that this third prototype looks visibly different from the two earlier J-36 airframes, reinforcing the idea that China is still deep in the experimental phase of development. Defense analyst Andreas Rupprecht, who shared one of the images on social media, highlighted the significance of the timing. He described the flight as China's Christmas surprise, noting that while it may not be a completely new aircraft type, the appearance of a third flying prototype is itself highly impressive. According to observers, few countries demonstrate this level of rapid iteration in large combat aircraft programs. Analysts studying available imagery point out that all three known J-36 prototypes differ in several key design areas. Variations have been observed in the air-take shapes, engine exhaust nozzles, landing gear structures, and other external features. These differences strongly suggest that Chinese engineers are testing multiple design solutions in parallel before finalizing the aircraft's configuration. The first J-36 prototype reportedly flew about a year ago, with a second prototype appearing in October. The fact that a third airframe has now taken to the skies within such a short period has drawn considerable attention outside China, especially when compared to the slower, more cautious development timelines seen in many Western programs. The J-36 is commonly described as a heavy fighter bomber and is frequently discussed in connection with sixth-generation combat aircraft concepts. While the United States and its allies are still largely in the planning, concept, and early development stages for their next-generation air combat platforms, China has already been observed flying multiple prototypes of what appears to be a large three-engine combat aircraft. Although Chinese authorities have released no official technical details, analysts believe the J-36 is intended to eventually replace the People's Liberation Army Air Force's aging JH-7 fighter bomber fleet, which has been in service since the 1990s. The new aircraft is expected to focus on long-range strike missions, including maritime attack roles in contested environments. Some observers compare the J-36 to Russia's Su-34 Fullback, a tactical strike aircraft currently being used in combat during the war in Ukraine. Like the Su-34, the J-36 appears optimized for deep strike missions, operating under the protection of friendly air defenses and supported by escort fighters rather than engaging primarily in air-to-air combat. While details about the J-36's performance, sensors, and weapons remain classified, the aircraft's design clearly emphasizes reduced observability and internal payload capacity. Its large size and blended configuration suggests the ability to carry advanced guided weapons internally, including air-to-ground munitions and potentially long-range anti-ship missiles. For military analysts, the rapid appearance of multiple J-36 prototypes is a clear signal that China is serious about reshaping its future strike capabilities. As testing continues and more images emerge, the J-36 program is likely to remain one of the most closely watched developments in global military aviation. This is Mighty Military, bringing you the latest and most powerful updates from the world of defense and advanced weapons systems.